Attention! If you hold your pee too often, your bladder can actually burst. When you drink water, you might not realize it, but it goes through an entire journey in your body before it becomes urine. When you take a sip of water, a small part stays in your mouth, and the rest slowly goes down your esophagus into your stomach. There, the water mixes with your stomach fluids and the food you've eaten to help with digestion. After spending a little time in your stomach, the water enters your intestines, where the walls absorb it and send it into your bloodstream. About an hour later, the water has spread throughout your whole body. Each part of your body takes what it needs, and the excess goes to your kidneys. Your kidneys are made up of millions of tiny units called nephrons, which filter the water and waste from your blood to create what we call urine. Out of this liquid, 99% is reabsorbed by your body, and only 1% becomes the urine that gets eliminated. This urine then travels through tubes called ureters and ends up in your bladder. But your bladder doesn't empty right away. It stores the urine, usually between 300 and 500 milliliters, but it can stretch up to 800 milliliters when it's really full. When that happens, your bladder sends a signal to your brain, telling you it's time to go to the bathroom. If you manage to find a restroom in time, your brain tells your bladder to contract and release the urine, while relaxing the muscle that holds it inside. And after peeing, you'll feel totally relieved.